Great little car, just coming part exchange. These are fantastic value for money. A little bit higher off the ground, so easy access to get in and out of. Ideal first car or little runabout. Fiat Panda Pop 1.2, 70 brake horsepower. This is a very, very nice clean example. Just 59,000 miles from new, 3 owners, lots and lots of service history. We've just put it through our workshops, done a full service on it, replaced the Cambelt, the all important Cambelt that needs to be done every 5 years. So we've just done that as well, and fitted rear shock absorbers. Low insurance, low tax, just £35 road tax. Very spacious little car in a very, very nice condition. Let's take you around it. Good sized boot for the size of the vehicle, quite deep in there, very nice interior, show that in a minute. Clean boot, all the toolkit is all there. This one also comes with a spare wheel just in there, so you've got the spare wheel as well. Loading area nice and clean, no major scuffs. Bodywork is very, very nice all round, no major dents, scratches or scrapes all the way around. Does have the plastic wheel trims, one or two of those are marked a little bit, but no sort of detriment to it. Good tyres all round. Not a lot of spec on these, but ideal as a first car. So that's the near side front trim. Good tyre all across the front, lovely and clean. No major damage at all. Again, the odd tiny stone chips, which is what you're going to expect for the age and the mileage. But again, nothing major at all. Driver's wheel trim, and again, all down the sides. Final wheel and tyre. Manual windows. Quite spacious there. That interior is just beautiful. No damage, no rips, no tears, no burns. All the headlining is perfect. Lovely and clean. Driver's door trim, again all good and clean. Got adjustable mirrors all inside. All the upholstery, again, no undue wear, no burns, tears, rips. $59,922 is the mileage. 2015 on a 15 plate. No warning lights on the dashboard. Drives very, very nice. Stereo CD. And you've got the city button, which makes the steering even lighter. So there we have it. Radio stereo on there. Media input, menu on there. Heater controls on there. 5-speed manual gearbox. So nice and clean inside. Bit of storage there. Not a lot more about these. We've got 2 sets of keys. We've got the book pack. As I mentioned, we do have lots and lots of invoices for previous work, previous services on the vehicle. Cambelt just replaced, all important Cambelt. So if you fancy this, you can click and reserve 24/7 off the website. Come and view, come and collect. Showrooms in Stoke on Trent. If you want home delivery, talk to us. We can happily deliver this to your home on your doorstep. Additional costs do arise for deliveries, but we're happy to arrange that for you should you wish. Low insurance, just £35 road tax, and great miles per gallon. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews, and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again for either a first car or a performance car or whatever. They deal with us for many years. Specialist Cars established since 1997, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, please just give me a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.